Hello friends, I'm Kanchan from Akulmac Technologies and you are welcome to Top Brass. Today we have Sitesh Srivastava from Johannesburg, South Africa. As you know all that he has a deep interest in corporate coaching. He has taught many professionals, IT professional and marketing professional in his career. Welcome to the Top Brass show, Sitesh.
Thank you. Thank you, Kanchan. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, very well. What about you?
Yeah, counting each day of this winter.
Oh,
This weekend is supposed to be really, really chill.
okay, okay. So take care. But I also want to tell you that just stay safe and healthy. And this pandemic,
Thank you.
take care because winters are there in South Africa. So now,
Sure. I just heard this.
yes.
I heard this morning that South Africa is now number 4 in the world ranking just after India.
Oh, I see. Okay, then you have to take care well, pretty well about your health.
Yes.
Okay, the last week we have discussed about the change management and we have also discussed few pointers. So, and one of them was creative thinking. So what happens nowadays, everybody talks about creative thinking, right? It's one of the most abused word, I think. So how creative thinking will help in change management? I want your opinion on that.
Right. So, Kanchan, I always, when I meet the youngsters or even the school children, uh, my first few minutes question is always to them, what is your hobby? Because I feel creativity has to start from a hobby that somebody has. And I always ask them their hobby. And the school children still tell some of the things as hobby, but I must tell you that most of the school children these days and the college students, as well as the young engineers who are recruited into the companies, most of the time they will say exploring the internet, watching YouTube.
Yes, very
uh,
true. Yes, that's
so
the answer they generally give.
Right. And if you remember, I mean, in our times when we were small, we had certain kind of a philately, collecting the stamps as a hobby, collecting the butterflies as a hobby. So some hobby. So I think for the creativity, hobby is the first step. And therefore, in the schools, the hobby has to be taken as a serious subject, not as just a side subject. Most of the time in the schools, we know maths, mathematics, science, and all other those subjects are the prime subjects, and hobby class is just to take a break, basically.
Right. Right.
So I think that there are hobby classes in the schools all over the world, but it has to be taken as a mainstream subject in the schools, and that's how it should go.
Okay, so what are those hobbies which we should inculcate in youngsters so that when they become a good professional and when they take up job, so those hobby should help them in doing a creativity in getting their job done in offices.
So, Kanchan, I think the stepping stone towards a creativity is to inculcate a habit about knowing the general affairs around the child, around ourselves, and tell our children to figure it out what is happening in this world, what is happening on a daily basis. Most of the time, you see children are busy on their digital devices, but if you look deeply into those digital devices, you will find they are playing games, they are chatting with the friends rather than any productive thinking or a productive thought. So once a student knows his general surroundings, what is happening in the world, and what are the subjects, then he can think in his mind how it works out, which one is the place of a hobby where the student or child can contribute from his own natural instincts. Most of the time, we as parents, as educators, we really don't focus on the natural instincts of our students. And I think that is the key thing, which is my message to the educators, because sometimes the children are oblivious to their own capabilities. It is us who can tell them that you are good at it. Why don't you pursue it? I will be standing behind you.
Right. Yeah. So you have mentioned like stamp collection. Generally, very few children I see that they are doing coin collection also nowadays. And so it's a good point which you mentioned today. We will be discussing more about creative thinking in further in our shows. For today, it was wonderful talking to you. Take care.
Thank you.
I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Thank you, Kanchan. Bye bye.